Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner Help series. In this video, we will show how to export data to an MS Access table with Process Runner as opposed to exporting data to an Excel spreadsheet. Let's start with a Innowera data extraction script, which has already been recorded. In the Home ribbon, let's select the Write to Text File button in the Settings tab. Let's select the Ignore Excel and Write Output to Text File/MS Access Table checkbox. In this scenario, we will show how to export data to an MS Access table, which is done by pushing data to the MS Access table from a text file. Outputting data to a text file was covered in a previous video. Since we already have the text file settings configured from the previous video, let's click on the MS Access tab. Here, we can select the Push Data to MS Access from Text File checkbox and select the database where we want to write our data to by clicking the button on the right. If the database does not appear, we might need to select Microsoft Office Access 2007 or All Files from the File Type dropdown. If the database is password protected, we would need to check the password checkbox and type in the password. Clicking the Verify button will authenticate the database information. Now, we need to enter the MS Access table name in which we want to send the data to. We can select from 4 different actions regarding our data output. Stop execution if table exists is the default option, which will only write data to the table if the table does not already exist. If the table does exist, execution will stop after the text file is generated. Override existing table will replace the existing data with new data if the table already exists. Create a new table if exist will create a new table with a timestamp added to the table name if the table already exists. Lastly, append data to the table will add records to the table if the table already exists. In this case, it is necessary that the structure of the existing table matches the structure of the new data that is being written. For this example, let's select Overwrite Existing Table. We also have a few import text options for importing from the text file to the MS Access table. The Use Schema method is the default method which simply transfers the data with the data type of text. The Change Data Type from text to corresponding data types after import option will change the text format to the corresponding data types of the MS Access fields. The Use Transfer Text method will transform the text based on the MS Access import-export specifications. Let's use the Schema method for this example. There are a few limitations while pushing data from a text file into an MS Access table. In the Text File tab, the space character cannot be used as a delimiter. Also, the decimal character and a colon character can't be used as a custom delimiter. And lastly, the name length of the text file cannot exceed 63 characters. Now let's run this Innowera data extraction script file and log on to our SAP system. After creating the text file, the data will be exported to the MS Access table. We can see from the status messaging that the export succeeded. Let's take a look at the exported data in MS Access. Want to learn more about simplifying SAP with Innowera technologies? Visit us at innowera.com. Thank you for watching.